This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Matthew Streff. Welcome to this gem in sought-after Loma Colorado. This home features an open downstairs floor plan with soaring ceilings and is ideal for entertaining. You have a private downstairs bedroom/office situated away from other rooms. The chef gets a kitchen featuring beautiful granite, stainless appliances, and island. The large primary suite/bath is perfect for relaxing with a garden tub, separate shower, and walk-in closet. Enjoy the new carpet in the bedrooms and loft. Step outside under the covered patio to enjoy the large, landscaped back with beautiful views of the Sandia Mountains and plenty of space for outdoor family activities and guests. Save time being located just minutes from amenities like the Rio Rancho Library, Aquatic Center, and McDermott Athletic Center. Price to sell. For more information,